Today, we're going to be learning on how to multiply with 0 and 1. Remember, this is the order I'm going to be doing the videos on. This is the order I need for you to learn, or this is the order that I need for you to use when learning how to memorize your multiplication facts the way I need for you to do it. Okay? You're going to notice if you do it in this way, it's going to be the easiest way. Right now, we're going to be doing the 0 and the 1s. So, when multiplying with 0, the answer product is the name to the answer of a multiplication problem. So the answer is always 0. When multiplying with 0, the answer is always 0. For example, 0 times 7, 0. 0 times 5, 0. 0 times 316, 0. 6 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 489 times 0, 0. Okay? It doesn't matter whether the 0 is the first number or the second number that's getting multiplied. The product is always 0. Now let's look at multiplying with the 1s. When multiplying with 1, the product, which is the answer. Remember, product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So the product is always the other number. Always the other number. For example, 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 349, 349. Okay, well, what happens if it's the second one? It's still the same. 7 times 1, 7. 12 times 1, 12. 608 times 1, 608. It does not matter if the 1 is the first number or the second number. The product is always the other number. Okay? Now, let's see how this works out with something like this. Okay? So remember, whenever we're multiplying by 0, the answer is always 0. When we're multiplying by 1, the answer is always the other number. 0 times 1, well, on this one, 0 times 1, 0. 0 times 6, 0. 0 times 0, 0. 1 times 8, 8. 0 times 10, 0. 0 times 4, 0. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 11, 11. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 5, 5. 0 times 9, 0. 0 times 12, 0. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 10, 10. 1 times 12, 12, and so on and so on. However, what happens though if the 1 or the 0 is the second number? It's still the same. Whenever you multiply by 0, whether the 0 is the first number or the second number, the product is always 0. Whenever you're multiplying and either the first number or the second number is 1, the answer is always the other number. 5 times 1, 5. 12 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 6 times 0, 0. 5 times 0, 0. 11 times 0, 0. 7 times 1, 7. 0 times 1, 0. 8 times 1, 8. 3 times 1, 3. 9 times 0, 0. 4 times 0, 0. 11 times 1, 11. 9 times 1, 9. And so on and so on. It doesn't matter whether the 0 is the first number. Hold on. It doesn't matter whether 0 is the first number or the second number. Your product will always be 0. And it doesn't matter if the 1 is the first number or the second number. The product will always be the other number. Hopefully this has helped you out. Now, going back to this little chart right here, remember we did this at the beginning on our introduction page. This video was to show you on how to, memorizing the multiplication facts of 0 and 1. So we got that one out of the way. The next video will be for the 2 times tables, memorizing the 2 times tables.